Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tomasz Prus, I'm a head of Technical Operation Division here at GFE Solution. Today I want to introduce our new service called On-Site Support Program, which is designed to completely change the way the manufacturing companies handle engineering challenges.
Let's start with, what does your TechOps division do?
Well, our main role is to provide innovative and practical on-site support. Whenever operation needs supervision, commissioning, or help with after-sales maintenance, we are there to make sure that everything runs smoothly.
What if there is a sudden issue at one of our plants overseas? How would the support work?
Well, in the situation like that, you would contact us and we would arrange one of our agents to be sent to the location. And here in our headquarters, we would assemble a team of engineers to support this agent with all the necessary information. Upon arriving on site, our agent would establish a communication channel with your company and expert responsible for this project. And from that moment, the situation would be managed by skilled and capable individual on site, backed up by a whole team of engineers also familiar with the project, and supervised by your trusted expert. So your company will have a full control and access to all the information without the need of sending your own employees to the site. And let's be honest, usually employees who are sent out in the situation like that are crucial for the company. Those are experienced, highly qualified experts with a unique kind of knowledge, and you need them to use this knowledge and their experience to resolve issues that sometimes can occur all over the world. We want to help them to do that without the need of leaving their own office. Especially that our program is designed the way that one office-based expert can manage multiple agents at the different locations at the same time.
Do you also handle logistics, like visas and travel booking?
Yes, our program is a full package. We take care of everything. Visas, flights, accommodation, car rentals. We take care of everything.
How quickly can you send your team to the site?
Well, that depends on the situation, of course. However, if there is no need to apply for visas or any additional permissions, our agents are prepared and ready to travel even the next day.
And this kind of support can be requested for any type of technical issue?
Absolutely. Our team is very flexible. We can resolve complex technical issues, we can oversee installation of new equipment, or just provide assistance in maintaining facilities. Our main goal is to reduce downtime and to make sure that everything runs smoothly. With our program, you can be sure that it doesn't matter where your facility is located, we will be there and we will resolve the problems and we will make sure that everything is operational.